Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one going. Get you a little bit of label action. This shoe reads the Air Jordan Legacy 312 Low Black Varsity Red and Black, aka the Jordan 312 Bred Lows. It's a good shoe. In my opinion, I can't remember when I picked these up, but I think I picked them up on the day. I can see my little receipt. But it always hits me as soon as I start recording. Gotta go get some stuff from Home Depot. I apologize, guys. Everything on this shoe is top quality, buttery soft leather. Got a little bit of hair on mine. Black mudguard, as you guys can see. The Jordan 1s, the Air Trainer 2s, and the Jordan 3s all in one shoe. It's a great shoe in my opinion, one of my favorite Jordans. My favorite Jordan mashup so far. Jordan Air on the back would have been better with Nike Air. Again, all around good shoe. Jordan 3 bottom. It's got a little bit of light action. Testing out new stuff, guys, so bear with me. I apologize. It doesn't come out right. Like I said, the materials are outstanding on this shoe. Simply outstanding. Got a little bit of rubbing on mine. Like I said, I'm going through all of my shoes and checking them now, so I'm going to the 312 section. So I said I definitely will get these up here for you guys while I break up some of the shoes, because everybody's saying they don't really want to see any of the shoes that are coming out now. So while we wait for some shoes that you guys want to see, I'll be bringing you guys some old classics that I think you might want to see. You know what you guys think about this Jordan 312 Bred. Get you a look at the shoe, what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. Like you said, guys, always keep your little receipts in your box too. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!